Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create really cool shapes like this in Adobe Illustrator. So I'll just close that first. First we are going to start with a basic circle, and then I'm just going to choose a different color for this. And then you are going to select effects, go to distort and transform, select pucker and bloat. And for the flower, I'm just going to do that. Press OK, copy and paste. And you're just going to rotate it like that. Then to add like the, I don't know, like the inside part, the pollen, I don't remember what it's called. Make sure you arrange and then select bring to front, and then you can just add in that middle part there. I'm just going to change it to this yellow color actually. Then to create a star, you are going to again create a circle. I'm just going to use this one. Go to effects, go to distort and transform again, and select pucker and bloat, and you're going to slide it to the pucker side. Press OK, and as you can see, you have created a star shape. Then you can also create a moon shape as well. So again, start with a circle. And I'm going to select this like bluish tone, and you're going to add another circle on top. So arrange, bring to front. Make sure you select a different color so you can see the shape of your moon that you want here. I want it to be like this. Select both, Pathfinder, select the minus front, and now you have a shape of a moon. You can do a lot of different stuff with the pucker and bloat here. Where is it? I can't, okay, sorry. Here you can also like make this like very cute flower shape like that as well. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!